funny thing enough, I didn't know my my camera or phone, whichever you want to call it, recorded in 60 frames. Looks super smooth. Oh, anyway, so with the exhaust, the only downside to it is that I think the Z1 muffler on it has a little bit of a whistle, which kind of sucks, but besides that, it's a good sounding exhaust. I won't do any cuts. I might do like 2 or 3. I want you guys to get all the sound. Spinning. This exhaust setup so far, I just wish the Y pipe didn't sound so airy, I guess is a good way to say it. It's like it sounds like there's too much flow going through it in a way, so it sounds very I don't know what a good way to say it is. I would just say airy, but it's not a bad note for sure. It's just that little like hissing airy noise that I hate. It might be my headers, so I should probably get I probably need to get new headers to get that noise to go away, but I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen a fucking 2-door older Acura like that. Oh, that diesel is so good. Half throttle and it just wants to move. So good. Not too bad. Let's get a couple of revs over at this light too. Not bad. Starting to sound a little tingy though. I'm not a big fan of that. Probably because of my test pipes. For test pipes, I for sure recommend getting some Motordyne hard pipes. I heard those are the best sounding test pipes you can get because I think they're resonated. They have like that big tube on the side. I'm pretty sure that helps with that raspy tinniness. For sure recommend those, or just get long tube headers. definitely say for sure though, since I first got this wide pipe, it's gotten a lot louder. Once I get it tuned, this thing is going to be sounding like gunshots, and hopefully it'll spit a lot of fire too. That'd be kind of cool. Just real quick too, here's a little idle clip. All right, I'm back home. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for more, because I'm actually enjoying this YouTube thing. I think I'm gonna start uploading a little bit more than I have been, which has only been, what, 2 videos. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next one.